My husband and I took a 90-day journey across the United States and up through the Alcan Highway into Canada. And we went in an OPUS 15 hybrid trailer. OPUS 15 doesn't have an indoor kitchen. It only has an outdoor kitchen. Some of the things that make it easy are it has a pull-out kitchen, it has a 4-burner stove, and it has a kitchen sink. And what you do is you just take a little bucket, and I use one of those collapsible plastic containers, and you just put it underneath the little tube that comes with the kitchen sink, and you put it underneath. So it was very easy to do. One thing I will say is that when you have been driving all day, 7-8 hours, and you get to a campsite, it's not that difficult to pull it's really just a couple of buttons, and then you pull it out, put the stands on, and you have your kitchen. So it really isn't that big of a deal. And it saves a lot of space inside. You don't have the kitchen inside. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it was to use the... Come on, let's go. "90 days, one small stove top, no full-size oven, and somehow we ate better on this trip than we do at home most weeks. Here's how cooking in the OPUS 15 actually worked. The good, the annoying, and the one piece of gear that saved us more than once." The OPUS 15 gives you a compact 4-burner stovetop and a small amount of counter space, and that's it. No residential fridge, no double sink, no pantry closet. So the first thing we had to get over was the instinct to cook like we were still in a house. That mindset shift took about a week. The first few nights, I tried to make full meals the way I would at home. Multiple pots going, a side dish, the works. It was chaos. Counter space disappeared in about 90 seconds, and there was nowhere to put anything down. I remember standing here holding a hot pan with literally nowhere to set it, looking at my husband like, we need a new plan. So we simplified. One-pot meals became our default. Think skillet dinners, foil packet meals on the campfire when we had one, and a lot of sheet pan style cooking adapted to a stovetop. We leaned hard on pre-chopped ingredients we prepped during grocery stops, so cooking time at the campsite was mostly assembly, not prep. A few things earned permanent spots in that tiny kitchen. A collapsible dish bin that saved counter space, a cast iron skillet that did double duty on the stovetop and over a fire. What actually surprised me most is that the limitation made cooking simpler in a good way. Fewer dishes, fewer decisions, less waste. There were nights I actually missed that setup once we got home to a full kitchen with too many choices. If you're looking at an expandable trailer like ours and wondering whether the kitchen setup is livable for a real trip, it is, but it'll change how you cook. Let me know in the comments if you want a full breakdown of what we packed in that kitchen. And if you're thinking about buying an RV, I've put together a free RV checklist. I'll put the link in the description.